PD 12Q72 motorcycles TC at 105. He's on foot running.
Copy the motorcycle TC at 105. Ball rank.
71 route from the station.
71 from the station.
Vehicle leaking gas and medical checkout. 101 Chevron, over.
He's cleared on one, state of birth 10/28/1980 out of San Pablo on Lejun. He's valid, negative motorcycle license, corrected line restriction, also on insurance agency.
10-4, that's a match. $71 from 70. Good. You know, why don't you set up right there where you are? There's a vehicle to your right on North Knoll that's leaking gas. If you could direct the firemen there when they arrive. Super. If they're not here for the medical aid.
72P, would you like any tow started?
I'm affirm it's going to have to be flatbed.
Copy, we'll start a flatbed for the motorcycle, advise if you need anything else.